everybody, this is Thunderwolf here, and today we are playing Ultimate Cat Sim, and we are a owner cat, of course, I should say, just to be in safety, but maybe later on in the future, not really. So I actually did start it off. I actually ran here, so it doesn't take forever. So, and this is Eggs, a male cat. Ownered, but maybe later on, I'm not sure if he will. Sorry for the noise, but I'm not sure if he will be an owner. It depends on what happens, or if he gets a mate and she wants to be in the wild, like in the, like, let me show you, like in the wild, like you see, like the wild, like I can't say it, but like in the wild. Not being in the city, like completely out of the city. Just sorry for the lag. It is pretty laggy. Sorry for that, because I don't know. Silence. I'm gonna turn my volume a little bit upper. But yeah, it's but this is Eggs. Pretty though a rough cat. Not really. Always kind, I should supposed to say, but bird trying to target me with a house or something. Okay, anyways. So this is Eggs. And he's actually been living here for not quite that long, but just starting off to his new family. Having a good life. But that's not all. So apparently, did they run out of water? No, they ran out of water and he's still drinking it. Oh wait, I forgot. He just leveled up, so he doesn't need it. So Eggs is a level 3. I've been started on accident, so please forgive me for that. It would just take forever if I just traveled like all the way, so I didn't want to let you guys just wait. I could pause it, but like behind the scenes, it would like let me take forever. So, there is a little skunk. Is that a skunk? Skunk or badger? Skunk? I don't know. It's a skunk. I can't really tell. Oh, I think it is. Yeah, it's a skunk. I think so. That's a skunk. Yeah, that's a skunk. That's definitely a skunk. I can't catch the skunk, so he's not really... Eggs is not good at hunting because Eggs is still, though, ownered. Not really used to the wild anymore, but he's going to test out the wildlife again. He's actually wearing dogs, but now it's time for him to catch some dogs. Now the dog's chasing somebody, and so this game, the dogs actually chase the things that they don't like, so all the dogs ain't afraid of me. So that's a few glitchy, but that's a bug right there. You just go into the water like that. But anyways, Eggs is not used to the wild, so he can't really catch anything on his own. But the owner is like the only one that just gives him some food or stuff. So he can't really do anything on his own. Sorry for the lag again. But when it comes to birds, he is not a friendly cat. Even meaner than he could be. Meaner than ever. He's not nice when it comes to birds. So he's now we're just gonna head back home. I guess so, since we are. Well, we found a doggy. Well, little doggy. Oh my god, that's a cat. I guess we should just leave the cat alone. Just leave the cat alone, because it is a little friendly one. I suppose so. He actually leaves cats alone. Sorry for the background noise. He actually, if you can hear it, he actually leaves cats alone, other cats. Let them just have their life. And he's pretty nice. Not really. Maybe mean sometimes, maybe rough. But he's not good at hunting. So I really can't find any food. But finally found 2 black cats. That is amazing. Well, one's a male and one's a female. I think so. One's a male and one's a female. That's amazing. Who's the female? I think it's the long tail. I think the short tail's a male. Yeah, it's male. This is a female. No, that's a male. Hold up. Are you eggs? Is eggs a female or a male? Oh, eggs is a male. Just checking. But we lost our prey that we're gonna hunt. We lost it, but he finally found what he needed. Finally, it would go after him. This is what he needed to hunt on his own. And finally, he found it to become true. He is a little healthy cat. Not healthy, I guess. Keeping off his diet now. Oh, this is not good. They hunted a crow. They hunted a crow, I should say. No! Run, eggs, run! Stay away from their food. Run! Eggs! You cannot die! Eggs, I know, I believe in you, eggs. Eggs, you can't splat like eggs on the floor. You can't splat like eggs on the floor, eggs, okay? You can do this. Fight these bulldogs off. Come on, you can do this, eggs. I believe in you, eggs. Okay, I don't believe in eggs anymore. Eggs is not really fightive. He tries to stay out of people's territory, other animals' territory, but he can't just help himself. Eggs is not a most kindest cat in territory marks. He just goes in anybody's territory because he doesn't really care. When are we gonna kill these dogs or something? Oh God, go after the human! Go after the human! Help! Eggs, you're not gonna die on me. You're not gonna die on me, boy. You're not gonna die on me, okay? I believe in you, eggs. Eggs! Keep going! Don't ever stop! As soon as they walk into his territory, Eggs is not present with this. So he tries to run in the house, but he knew this would lead to danger, killing his owners and leaving his owners at risk. And also, leaving his owner at risk. He wouldn't want to do that. Eggs will run away in frightness and scared of every bite. But Eggs wouldn't let that get to him. Eggs was always so brave, but every time he would run away. He did not see the other bulldog, looking for him and to shred him up. But then he found him over there, with almost dying. Eggs! Eggs, don't! It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. He would scatter everywhere around the yard. I mean, not around the yard, but... Oh God, eggs! 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 Eggs, you did it! That pretty scared me when he was like... I love dogs so much, but... I would never ever do this to a real dog in real life. This looks very disgusting right now. I would never do that, seriously, guys. But it's a game. It's a game. Just chillax. Eggs almost went to splattered eggs. Okay, that's not good. All of a sudden, this bulldog knows I just killed his friend. So. I'm sorry you had to die. I just need some food. So Eggs finally became a strong cat once again. But that's not the end of Eggs' story. Guys, this is a video. It's too long. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so much. Please like and subscribe. That was pretty though a long video. I mean, not really long enough, but fighting those dogs is not hard. I think this will make you leave the video, just putting it like this way. Maybe not. Bye!